Who is not a freedom fighter? Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, or Binod? Namaste. Welcome back to my podcast channel, Something You Wanna Know. Well, I would like to wish everyone a happy Independence Day from my side. Today, I'm going to try something different. We are going to play a quiz based on India. With me joining are my friends who will compete against each other. The first team is Pune Warriors, which includes Gunjan and Roger Rodrigues. And the second team is Mumbai Indians, which includes Samantha and Melvin Fernandez. So sit back and enjoy, and please watch till the end to know who wins the competition. Thank you and Jai Hind. Roger, if you want, you can start drinking as well whenever you want, because it's already recording.
So you're going to edit it?
No, I'm not.
Okay, I don't care.
So you all know the rules, okay? So the rules are, there is only one rule, that is whoever knows the answer, whoever knows the answer, they have to raise their hand and they have to say something you want to know. And whoever does the fastest, I give them the chance. Okay? So set? Okay, the first question, okay? Mahatma Gandhi, was he a right or left-handed person? There is no option.
Something you want to know.
Okay, Gunjan.
Left-handed.
Correct. So the next question. Can you translate Independence Day in Hindi?
Something you want to know.
Okay. Pune Warriors can answer. Fast. Only 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Prajasatak Din.
No.
Wrong. That's Republic Day.
Ganarajya Divas.
No.
Something you.
Yeah. Mumbai Indians. Come on.
Swatantra Divas.
Correct.
Din.
Divas
is also correct.
So 10 points to
Azad
Mumbai
Hind.
Indians. 10 points to Mumbai Indians, okay?
Pran.
So each team will get 5 to 10 seconds to answer. Otherwise, automatically it will go to the next.
5 or 10?
Depending
5 or
on
10?
Depending on my mood.
Oh, acha. ऐसा भी है. Okay.
Okay. The next question. Who was popularly known as the Iron Man of India? I will give you 4 options. Okay?
Something. Okay.
I will give you 4 options. I'll give you 4 options. First,
Okay.
Lal Bahadur Shastri, Robert Downey Jr., Mahatma Gandhi, and D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Something you want to know.
Okay, Mumbai Indians.
The answer is D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Okay, 10 points
And I
to
knew
Mumbai
the answer
Indians.
before you could give me. Listen, what if I
100
know the
points to
answer
Mumbai
before you
Indians.
give the
Khalas.
option?
100 points to Mumbai Indians. No, only 10
but
points.
I
So
have-
then,
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yeah.
In case I know the answer before you give the options, would that mean I get extra points?
No. I have to complete the options. Okay.
then match ka locha happens.
His show, na? Let him complete at least. Na?
See, but if a person is smart, what they can do now? Mumbai people are smart.
Yeah. That is there. That
I
is
would
there.
say Indians are smart too.
Yeah. Because we're celebrating Independence Day, so we have
Yeah, correct.
Indians are
Correct.
smart. Okay.
Yeah.
So the next question. Which state is also known as the fruit bowl of India? Option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Option B, Himachal Pradesh. Option C, Assam. And option D, Ladakh.
Something you want to
You
know.
want to know?
I think so. Pune.
Melvin said it first.
Pune.
Himachal Pradesh.
Correct. So 10 points to Pune Warriors. Arey, it's okay, man. There are 25 questions. Don't worry. Okay. The next question.
Okay.
The order of the color of Indian national flag from top to down is, I'll give you the option. Okay. Option A, red, blue and white. Option B, green, green and white. Option C, white, green and saffron. Or option D, saffron, white and green.
Something you want to know.
Okay, Sammy, Mumbai Indians.
Option B.
What that is?
Right?
Yeah.
That is
Saffron, white, blue, and green.
Saffron, white, and green, with the blue chakra in between.
correct.
Which
Correct.
you missed out.
No, he didn't miss out.
You said
10 points to Mumbai Indians. Anyways,
Hmm.
the next question. This is very simple, okay? The movie Razi is based on which Indian spy? I'll give you option. Option A, Alia Bhatt. Option B, Karan Johar. Option C, Sehmat. Option D, Kismat. And option E, Noor Inayat Khan.
Something you want to know.
some.
I think so. Pune Warriors. Samantha,
Sehmat.
she said like that, but you have to say something you want to know.
Melvin
I
said
did.
it. Melvin said something you want to know.
Team effort, buddy.
Okay.
Okay,
Chal.
Melvin's turn.
Yeah.
Melvin, you answer. Melvin, you
Answer.
answer.
Melvin, answer.
No, Sammy will answer.
You
Five-
said no something you want to know.
5 seconds. 5
It
seconds.
is the option. It is Sehmat.
Yeah, correct. 10 option. 10 points for Pune Warriors. 10 option. I'm saying.
Hey, I answered.
Hello.
That is Mumbai Indians, fine.
Sorry.
Points for Mumbai
sorry.
Indians.
10 points to Mumbai Indians. My bad. Sorry.
Rogers
Also, is that
drinking or
facts
you're
or what?
drinking?
No,
I was.
Both.
Okay.
just jammed out.
Now this
Wow.
this answer, the next question, okay, definitely you all are going to know, okay. So the question is,
Okay.
which is the smallest state in India? I will give you the options. Smallest state in India: Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Goa, Gujarat, or Sri Lanka.
Something you want to know.
No.
Actually, both of you all said. Okay, I'll give
Goa.
you all. What is the answer?
5 points.
Goa.
Melvin,
Goa.
10 points for each.
Goa, we said.
Ah.
10 points for each.
I think there is lag.
No. I
Yeah,
can hear it.
There's a lag in your.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
the next question. The next question.
Ah.
Which Indian army officer? Okay, I'll repeat that. Which Indian army officer believed that the earth is his motherland? Okay, I will give you the options. Option A, Colonel Ravi Prasad. Option B, Ravi Kumar Prasad. Option C, Dharamveer. And option D, Sunil Shetty.
Something you want to know.
Mumbai Indians.
Sunil Shetty.
Sunil Shetty.
Correct. धरती मेरी माँ है.
What is that movie?
Oh my god.
Border, man.
10 points for Melvin. Huh? Actually, Roger, you all were thinking.
I knew, as in, I didn't. It was very obvious when you said Sunil Shetty in the end, but then I wasn't sure, so I said okay. Anyway.
Okay, so this one though you all have to know only. The next question is, who founded the first Indian army? I'll give you all the options. Okay, option A, D.K. Bose. Option C, Mr. Bose Deepak Kumar. In short form, if you say Mr. Bose D.K. And option D, Mangal Pandey. And option A is Subhash Chandra Bose.
Something you want to know.
Something you want to know?
Melvin, Mumbai Heroes. Mumbai whatever.
Subhash
Yeah.
Chandra Bose.
Indians.
Mumbai Indians.
Mumbai Indians, Ray.
Okay,
Mumbai heroes.
10 points for Melvin.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yeah,
Thank you.
correct. Now this one is a bit tricky. I doubt you all will know this one.
Okay.
What is Mahatma Gandhi's sandal size? Okay. Options are size 7, size 8, size 9, and size 10.
Something you want to
Something
know?
you want to know.
Pune.
7.
Wrong. Mumbai.
Give me the options again.
Size 7,
7, 8,
8,
9, 10.
7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, correct.
8.
Correct. It was, 10 points to Mumbai. Okay.
Mumbai Indians, you have to say.
Mumbai Indians, correct, yeah. Okay, this one I think so. Melvin will get it right. Okay, who was the best spinner in the Indian cricket team before 1947? Okay, I'll repeat the question again. Who was the best
I don't
spinner
need options. Can I give
in
the
the
answer?
Indian
I
cricket
know.
before
Something I don't know.
1940?
Kachra.
Hey,
Kachra.
come on, man.
Sorry,
This is not
boss.
fair, dude.
Give me my.
Okay, 10 points for each. Arey, wait now, let me at least give you all the options.
Thank you.
The option was Ravi Shastri, Harbhajan Singh, and then it was Kachra. So at least you have
Ravi
to
Shastri
Kachra.
spinning.
Always Kachra,
Ravi
man.
Shastri is still spinning.
Ravi Shastri before
He's still
1947. Okay.
He was not born, I think, in 1947.
Of course he was.
But he's spinning till date.
Yeah, it's still spinning, na? That is why.
Still spinning.
Okay, now the next question, let me complete. Okay, and then you all can tell. Okay, who is not a freedom fighter? Okay, from this option.
She.
Not from this, from the options which I'm going to give. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, or Binod?
Vinod.
Something you want to know?
Melvin.
Binod.
Yeah.
Who the hell is Binod?
This is new
Yeah.
Vinod guy.
He's just not a-
running the show right now.
he is not a freedom fighter, that is why.
Fictitious character.
Yeah, but I read so much about Binod and I was like,
He's not a freedom fighter though.
He is not a
Yeah,
freedom
yeah.
fighter. That is why his name is there in this.
Okay.
Okay.
I thought he was maybe somebody's house cleaner. His name
No.
sounds very house cleaner type. Binu Jhaduwala types.
Binod is
Vinod.
Yeah, you're getting hits on this, dude.
Binod is the only one who's watching my podcast. So for your kind information, he's my
Who the
supporter.
hell is Vinod?
Uh,
But by the way,
excuse
actually,
me.
who's Vinod?
One
He's a
second,
made-up
my
person.
friends keep
I'll share
telling
the video with you.
my friends keep telling me that you keep haunting them on Insta to follow your podcast. So please don't say that Binod is the only one watching you.
But that doesn't mean your friends are watching it.
You're stopping
Yeah,
a
that-
lot of people
If they
to
are
watch
watching
your
it, they should like,
podcast.
share, and subscribe. Why
Yeah,
are
they
doing
should that. They should. But
Yeah,
they are not doing
I
that.
guess.
that? You need to do that.
Okay.
That's always a mystery.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
That's called a plug. You know, it's called a plug in.
Correct.
no, but if
Yeah,
you-
at
if you
least
properly-
now he has the permission to legally stalk.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good one.
And
good
if
one.
now they download that app which shows who has visited their profile,
Profile, yeah.
how many times, तेरी तो है.
Desmond is continuously knocking at your door.
I will keep
Hi,
doing
it
that.
says hi.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay, next question.
It all starts with a hi, yes.
All.
but no one replies. That is there. Huh? What to
Hey,
do?
I reply. I will send screenshots.
You need to change it. We've got the rhythm of that high.
I have to do something else now. Let's see.
Huh.
Different.
Hello doesn't work. Huh?
Okay. No, maybe say, oh my god, and this smiley. Then maybe somebody will say,
Breaking
Desmond,
news.
are you okay? Everything all right?
Yeah.
I'll say breaking news. Let's try something next now. Anyways, this is going to get uploaded on Saturday, so I'll try something
Okay.
else.
Okay.
Okay. So the next question is: at which age was Mangal Pandey hanged? Okay. Option A, age 25. Option B, 29. Option C, 35. And option D, 39.
No clue. Pass.
I don't
Google,
know either.
1 minute,
Let's take a wild guess. Something you want to know.
Yes.
I think it's
Can you give me the
35,
options again?
35.
25, 29, 35, 39.
I think you go with 29.
29.
Correct. 29. 10
Oh,
points to
Matka.
Mumbai Indians.
Janmashtami special.
You all didn't know this? Pune Warriors?
No, I didn't. No,
Didn't.
not
You
at
know
all.
it?
Not a
Did
clue.
you know it before making this
Ah.
question?
You knew who Mangal Pandey was or what?
You know something?
Amir Khan.
Amir Khan.
I knew
honestly-
the movie was shot in Pune, SRPF
Ah.
grounds.
Everything is about Pune only, na?
These
Everything is about
warriors, I
Pune.
tell you.
They're going
No,
to
it
lose.
was
one
shot
game.
in Pune.
It was.
I thought this quiz was about couples. I didn't know it's seriously like
Independence.
Independence Day questions.
I thought Melvin
Really?
briefed you.
I thought No, he told me.
Melvin?
There
And
is a
what
quiz.
question?
गलत
is he
गलत
going to
काम
ask
कर दिया
about
तूने
couples?
Melvin. ये सही नहीं है.
No, I mean like just to fool he say Independence Day, but like he'll test how each
He's
one
already
knows each
sleeping
other
out of the
better.
house because of his
No,
last
that
podcast.
that is Valentine's Day special.
Acha.
You think he'll do couples?
So podcast will go on till Valentine's Day. Oh my
हाँ.
god.
No re. He will. You gave him a good idea just now.
I love
Yeah.
Valentine's Day though.
Next topic.
That is like still time. Okay. No, I honestly
Chal
thought.
rahe, fast I want to go to sleep.
I
मैं
thought
toothpaste
it was
पीऊँ.
about couples. I told Melvin, make sure our answers are the same. Like,
Tooth is paining.
Bloopers.
Like his
I've
foot is,
I've got the bloopers. Come on. Next.
his foot is paining.
Next.
Okay.
just
Now
put in the mouth.
the next question does not have an option. Okay. But you all know the rule.
Okay.
You all have to say something you want to know.
Okay.
What was Mahatma Gandhi's full name?
Something you want to know?
Something you want to know.
Pune.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
10 points for Pune. Okay.
Hmm.
Now the next question, I think so Melvin will get the right answer. Okay. So the
Last time
next
you said that and Kachara took the prize.
How is this that you know he'll get the right? Have you given him the question paper?
Ah,
Nepotism.
I have my doubts.
Neighborism.
This
Neighborism,
is- I have
neighborism.
my doubt. Neighborism.
Does the Fernandez ties are strong?
Yeah.
Fernandez, yeah.
from
Okay, anyway,
from
next
Bombay
question.
na. Next question. Okay. Anyways,
Mm.
Romeo Akbar Walter. The movie is based on which Indian spy? I'll give you the options.
Oh.
Okay. Option A, Amar. Option B, Akbar. Option C, Anthony. Option D, Ravi Kaushik. Option E, Ali Mustafa. Option F, Binod. Option G, Ravindra Singh. And option H, Mustafa Ali.
Pass.
Something I want to know.
Okay.
No, not I.
Ravindra
it's you.
Singh.
Something you want to know.
Something you want.
Wrong answer. Khalas, Mumbai.
Don't want to take a
Mumbai's
chance.
Huh?
Don't want to
John
take it.
Abraham. John Abraham.
No.
Okay, give me the option. Something you want to know.
Okay, tell us
options
the
again.
answer. Both of us
Options.
don't
Are
know.
wait now we have
See,
options again,
Amar, Akbar, Anthony.
1 minute.
and those are not.
Okay. Ravindra Kaushik, Ali Mustafa, Ravindra Singh, and Mustafa Ali.
Ravindra Kaushik maybe.
Correct.
Ravindra
Just
Singh.
Ravindra.
Ravindra, correct. Ah,
But no one gets the
said
point.
Ravindra Singh. Why?
Okay.
Because you all didn't answer
I
properly.
didn't pass it.
This is my show.
Okay, pass.
I didn't
Ask
pass
no.
it. I answered. You said it went there, then it came back.
No.
they rejected
Khalas.
it.
Yeah, actually, I said
Hello,
I
you're
said
not
pass
winning
and you
coffee
did.
hamper. Huh?
You wasted a question.
You're
No
not
problem,
winning
I-
any hamper,
You
please.
really think I wait for a coffee hamper if I'm winning?
That is why
Fine.
all decked up and all that.
This is also
Then
going on the podcast. Everything is going, by the way.
Let
I'll
it go.
I'll blur.
Why am I not
certain
surprised? Why am I not surprised this? Okay, next.
Next,
Hmm.
I think so. Gunjan will able to answer this. The movie
Ah.
star Akshay Kumar. Okay, can you
Hmm.
tell me two of his patriotic movies which starts from the first letter of the alphabet?
Huh? Two patriotic movies of his which
Which
starts
starts
with...
from the first letter of the alphabet.
Okay. That's A.
One was shot in Kuwait only.
Something you want to know. Something you want to know.
Mumbai.
Hello?
Me too. Elif. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, Mumbai.
Elif.
Ah.
Yeah.
And
Elif.
and
And
5 points for this.
Andaz.
Something you want to know?
Andaz. Some movie called Andaz.
No.
Something you want to know? Something you want to know?
Ajnabi.
Okay,
Actually, Andaz is not wrong.
Something you want to know?
I'll go to Pune.
Wait. I know.
An
Aha.
and Elif. An and Elif.
No. Patriotic movies.
Elif and Arzu.
Patriotic
Elif
movie.
and Arzu.
Patriotic movie.
How was Elif patriotic?
He goes to
Yeah, actually,
Kuwait
Ah,
and
he was in Kuwait.
Okay, airlift is one.
Vaccination flight from there. No?
Bhutnath.
Another one is-
That's B-men.
Bhool Bhulaiya.
That is B-men.
okay, time's
That's not
up.
patriotic.
Time's up. Only 5 points to Mumbai Indians. 5 points.
What is the
What's
second
the
one?
answer?
अब
Also,
तुम्हारे वतन साथियों. That was the next.
अब तुम्हारे वतन साथी हो, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथी हो.
हाँ, whatever.
Minus 10.
Hey, 5
What
points.
was
5
it?
points
Yeah,
cancelled
बराबर
from the
नहीं है.
organizer.
for you.
I know.
Minus 10 for the
Very
organizer.
good job, Desmond. Very good job.
Only 5 points, huh? Mumbai Indians. Now the
हाँ.
next one is a very serious question. Okay.
Okay.
What
Be serious.
what was the first prime minister's wife name?
He was not married.
He was married. Why?
Options are there.
No options.
Okay, give options.
No
No
options.
options.
Take 10
First
seconds.
Prime Minister.
First Prime Minister was Jawaharlal Nehru. What was
Something you wanna
Jawaharlal
know.
Nehru's wife's name?
Something you
Mumbai,
wanna know.
Mumbai,
Excuse
Mumbai.
me, something you wanna
I know his chick's
Kamala
name.
Huh?
Kamala Nehru was his mother, man.
Correct. Kamala Nehru.
No, his wife.
He's fucking googling there. I can see the phone.
Oh,
Who's googling?
Melvin.
You can see the shadow.
No,
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 that's
no,
Stevie
this
Ray.
one.
That's Stevie Ray. That's
Okay.
Stevie.
Okay.
क्या बोले?
Let's go to the next question. Okay. On which day of the week did 15th August 1947 occur? Options are Monday. Yeah, which
Oh, the
day?
first time.
Yeah, on 15th 15th August 1947. Options are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
wow.
Thanks,
Sunday is not
very
there.
Something you
helpful.
wanna know. Something you wanna know.
Mumbai.
Okay, no chance.
Wednesday.
Wrong.
Wednesday.
No.
No idea. Pass.
Hey, if it passes, do we
Saturday,
get points for answering it?
Saturday.
One
No,
question.
no one gets
If it
points.
passes, do we get no one gets points? Sunday,
Wrong.
Saturday.
Pass.
Friday.
This question
Saturday,
is
I
omitted.
said.
No, wrong.
Okay,
wrong.
what's the answer? What's
Friday.
the answer?
Answer.
Friday.
Friday. Okay.
Oh.
Friday the 15th.
Yeah.
13.
15.
Acha, okay. Friday the 15th. Okay, that.
Next.
Okay. Next question. This is now getting a little bit difficult. Okay. So
Okay.
East India Company was founded in which year? Options are 1400, 1500, 1600 or 1700.
Something you want to know?
Okay. Pune.
1700.
Wrong. Mumbai's
No.
chance.
14.
1400.
Wrong. It is 1600.
1600.
Yeah. So the next question is, which year did Portuguese leave Goa? Okay, the options are 1959, 1960, 1961 and 1962.
Something you want to know.
Something you wanna know?
Mumbai.
62.
No.
1962.
No.
Something or no?
Yeah,
59.
wrong.
It's wrong.
1961.
Still in-
61. It is
1960.
61, yeah.
Yeah.
I just said it. I said it.
Okay.
You don't get points.
10 points for Pune. Mumbai.
Yeah.
Hey, you said no
Hey,
first,
but
then you
you
said
said
10
no.
points.
No,
Both
you
of us
can't
gave
give
wrong
points.
answers. कहाँ से point?
Both
Yeah,
get
Okay.
but
points.
then I said 61.
No, you don't get points at least.
61
No,
you
no.
said after he
Hey,
said.
Hello, organizer.
I'm not doing very
No,
well.
no.
I
He
will come
said
to your
61.
house now.
I answered
61
wrong
जवाब
first.
देने के
They
बाद
answered
बोला.
wrong after that.
Then I
This
said
fella
yes,
slow.
I know.
हाँ.
I said
Doesn't
61.
know. No.
I gave you the
No,
whole
no,
said
doesn't
61.
know.
Okay,
No,
okay.
by
Okay,
Indian.
this
I'm
question
not
was
doing very
this
well.
question was nullified. Next.
Understand?
Okay. Next. Okay. The
Huh.
next.
Profanity. Online.
Okay. Very simple. When did Portuguese come to Goa? Okay. Option A 1505,
How is it very simple?
1509, 1510 and 1511.
Maybe ask the people who call themselves Portuguese.
15 or 9, 10,
10, 11, 12.
No. 8, 9, 10, 11. 1508, 1509, 1510, 1511.
Maybe 10.
Something you want to know. 15
Okay.
or 10.
Correct. 10 points.
Hooray!
10 points goes to Mumbai.
For my forefathers who were
अरे
Portuguese.
मुंबई ना पुणे.
Ah,
पुणे को
Pune.
मुंबई
Pune.
बोलता है, मुंबई
Pune,
को पुणे
Pune,
बोलता
Pune.
है.
Arey, you change the teams. Pune Portuguese.
Anyways, last 4 questions are left, but this is a different it's basically round 2. Okay, so I'll explain you all the game first and then you all have to go. All 4 of you all have to participate. Okay, so I will give you a topic. Okay, where is Gunjan gone?
I'm here.
Something on.
Wait.
Sir, do we get a participation prize?
Yes. Certificate also you will get.
Oh, fine. Then okay.
But you have to like, subscribe, and share. Only then.
Yeah, only then. Otherwise, you all will not get. Okay. So the
Okay.
rule is I will give you a word. For example, Independence Day. Okay. For a minute, you have to say something about Independence Day. You cannot repeat. Okay, Independence Day. You cannot repeat that. You cannot stop. If you do A, E, U, then khalas, out. So for a minute, without stopping, you have to say something about the topic which I will give you. And it is only a minute. So I will, my phone is there with me here. Okay. So, and I will keep the time.
A minute is too long, man, to keep talking about it. 30 seconds.
I can't talk about myself for a minute.
I will keep 40 seconds. Okay. 40 seconds.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So now it's up to you all, whoever wants to go first. Mumbai Indians or Pune Warriors? Now no one will raise their hands up.
No, I don't mind.
So we both have to talk about the
No. Yeah, but there are four topics. Okay, each person have to say individually, so everyone will get a chance. Okay,
How many points per topic?
50.
50 points per topic.
We equal 60,
Ah,
125.
Okay.
Okay, so who wants to go first?
No, I'm checking. Is the use of us?
Me, I don't mind going first.
Okay, so so Gunjan is going first, right?
Mm.
So when I say, I'll give you the topic now, and then when I say start, that time you have to start. Okay?
Hey, it's not Independence Day. I thought
Ne-
that was my topic.
No. That was just
Okay.
an example. Okay.
Okay, fine.
You have to talk about your favorite freedom fighter. Anyone you can select. Okay. So your time starts now.
I'm going to talk about Bhagat Singh. I like Bhagat Singh because he gave up on his personal life and he thought of fighting for freedom. He was one of the bravest freedom fighters I know. He didn't give a damn about what people are talking or thinking. He even kept his married life on hold just so he could go and fight for the country. He also went on Anpan Shoshan, which is without food, without water. He also wanted to involve his friends, which he did. He was ready to go to any extent in order to get freedom for our country. So much so that he was ready to be hanged till death also, which he ultimately did without getting married. He didn't care
Done.
about his family.
Done.
Okay, thank you.
Done. 40 points to Pune
40
Warriors.
points?
Sorry,
40 क्या 50?
50 points for
If this
Pune Warriors.
lockdown was not there, now I would have been in your house by now.
Okay, 50 points to Pune Warriors. Now someone from Mumbai Indians will have to go.
Okay.
Who wants to go? Melvin or? Okay.
Melvin is taking over.
The rules are the same. You cannot give a pause or something
Yeah.
continuously. Okay.
Yeah.
So your time starts now.
After years of struggle, India was striving for under the British. All that Indians ever wanted was Azadi. It took them years and years of struggle, right down from violence to non-violence, only for one thing, Azadi. We have used that Azadi for us, beneficial, non-beneficial, but we have not given up on our dream of having Azadi. Even today, there are some people who are fighting for Azadi, be it from your problems in a society, problems in a state, problems on a national level. There are people who are still going on and on about Azadi.
Okay, no one cares
Have we
about the
really
problem.
got Azadi?
It's over. Finish.
That is mean, Desmond.
50 points for Mumbai Indians.
Night time. I'm paying for this night time.
Now your turn, huh?
Roger, your turn. Okay.
You can't do and
Okay.
Okay.
50 points
Huh.
lost.
Roger's topic is
You get 10 seconds to think before that.
No.
We didn't get.
No 10 seconds.
No
Okay.
one got
Special
you.
child.
No, I'm special. Okay. So the word is Desh ki dharti. Okay? Desh ki dharti. And your
Sing a
time.
song.
No, you cannot sing a
Sing
song.
the song.
Hey,
Roger,
wait,
sing
wait.
the song.
No.
Why? Hello.
No, it is a speech.
Comes in it.
It is a
Desh ki
speech.
dharti
Desmond,
comes in it.
Desmond.
Ah.
What I will suggest is give him 40 seconds.
Ah.
Let him sing the entire song without making a mistake.
Okay,
Give
if
him
Mo-
100 points.
Are you mad? I think I know the whole song. Or...
if Mumbai Indians is okay, then I don't mind.
Desh ki dharti. Just
Okay.
think of
So
Desh
you
ki
can
dharti.
say it the
Make
same
it
way.
okay.
You can use English and Hindi. Desh ki dharti,
Kuch
whatever.
bhi, Baba,
Yeah.
Tamil, Malayali, whatever you want you to say. Okay?
Huh.
3,
Malayali he knows, no?
2, 1.
So we start with what you started with. Sunil Shetty said that माँ मेरी देश की धरती उसकी माँ है. तो देश की धरती सबकी धरती रहती है. जो भी धरती नहीं है वो भी धरती रहती है. You understand? Whether you hold it or not, वो धरना ही पड़ता है. When you are born on that land, वो धरती रहती है. In
Point
another
card
way,
साले का.
why out? I said देश की धरती.
और जैसे कि गाना लिखा गया है मेरे देश की
और धरती का क्या
सोना
मतलब
उगले
निकल रहा है?
उगले हीरे मोती
He
मेरे
said
देश
out.
की धरती
Now you
Point card
check
साले
the
का.
time.
No, became 40 seconds. But, like, you were
It's not
stopping.
up to the
Wrong
Ah.
धरती, dude.
You were-
When did I stop?
He,
Like,
instead of taking Hindi का धरती, he took Marathi का धरती. That's not fair.
जो भी धरती.
That is the problem.
Okay.
Now married, you can't say जो भी धरती.
so no points for Mumbai Indians.
No
Hey,
points.
hello, this is cheating.
Eh,
But-
Why Mumbai Indians? Pune Warriors, dude.
Actually, no.
But what? But what?
But you stopped na in the middle. You did
When?
like that, na?
I didn't say ah anywhere.
Yeah. You...
Actually,
When?
Action,
Okay.
Replay.
Action.
Okay.
Actually,
I'll ask Mumbai Indians.
Third Empire.
What you all feel? What you all feel? Should we give
There's a
them
judge
the
sitting
point?
next to you.
She's
There's
not
a
even
judge
listening.
sitting next to you. Ask the judge.
She can't.
ये गलत है उसको सुनाना चाहिए ना फिर तूने
I want third empire.
Give.
Give. Okay.
Give 50
Points to Pune.
Hey, but don't put this on YouTube.
it's gone already
It is going on YouTube.
it's already going
I will
Your
not be
देश की
allowed to.
धरती का
I will not
प्यार
be
is
allowed to
going
enter
go online.
India.
okay now Sammy's turn
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Sammy's turn. Okay.
I'm scared.
Very simple. Independence Day. Your time starts now.
Okay, so we got our independence on 15th August 1947, and that is when we celebrate Independence Day. And we are going to celebrate Independence Day now on Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. Yeah, that's right, on Saturday. And Independence Day in school, oh God, people used to wear this are white, green, saffron color. And on Independence Day, people hoist the flag and sing the national anthem, which is Jana Mana. And Independence is also my favorite English movie. And they made a sequel to Independence Day, which was not very good. So that's all I can think about Independence Day. And I can even spell Independence Day. It is spelled as INDEPENDENCE space DAY.
Don't show the time. Let it go on.
40 seconds are over.
well done
I think
Yeah,
40
yeah.
100
Yeah.
points
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome.
50 points to.
साले सबको ऐसा दिया मेरे को देश की
मुंबई
धरती
इंडियंस।
गांडू.
Again, this is going on YouTube.
Yeah.
oh,
Cal-
You think I
going
can?
bloopers.
She's only channel.
She's going in
Gil के
bloopers
4 subscriber है उसके. That also will
हाँ.
stop subscribing if you
I
use
know.
that language, dude.
चार में से 2 तो इधर है, 2 उधर है.
और 2 इधर है.
लगता है किसी को हैम्पर नहीं मिलने वाला
मैं तो घर पे आ जाऊंगा सीधा
Hamper
ब्रेकफास्ट
छोड़.
के लिए.
Okay. So I've got the results. And
Samita, bank must cut account number.
So Pune Warriors, I think so. Both of you all did correct. So
100
50-50
points.
Yeah. So 160 points.
Thanks. Okay.
And they also
So, finished
100
200,
They were
500
already ahead.
points.
I told you.
225
they were
points.
already ahead.
Yeah,
आखिरी 4 साल की जरूरत ही नहीं थी.
I know.
Well done, Mumbai.
Desmond, listen.
Yeah.
Before your next episode,
Hmm.
have this. If you are planning, there's a place vacant next to my house. Say next building. If you want, you can take that. Then we'll have the next show.
You can be our neighbor.
Then you be our neighbor.
Now I understood.
Neighborism.
Neighborism. But it was fun. It was really
fun.
nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
good.
I hope I remember all the wrong answers I gave. And
All
I
in good
remember,
fun and cheer.
The correct
Cheers.
answers for them. Yes, cheers.
Cheers. About.
And
Yes.
happy Independence
Happy
Day to all
Independence
who are
Day.
there.
Yeah.
Happy Independence Day
Yes,
to
we
all.
should
We
say-
celebrate our
Celebrate
72nd
Azadi
year.
responsibly.
So guys, if you like this fun kind of quiz with me, Roger, Samantha and Melvin, and of course our host Desmond Fernandez, please like,
The judge.
share
Our
and
judge.
subscribe.
Our judge.
And it doesn't matter who won or lost, just as long as we friends had fun.
Yes.
But nevertheless,
But we won.
congratulations
But we
Mumbai
won.
Indian. Yes, congratulations
but we won.
Mumbai Indian. Yeah, you guys won. And happy Independence Day, everyone. Let's celebrate the 72nd year in independence proudly. Back in India.
74.
72nd.
74, right? 73.
72.
72.
72.
No problem.
Chalo.
We'll celebrate 72.
It's okay. एक दो साल ऊपर नीचे. You never ask
It
lady
is
about her age.
72, man.
There is absolutely no connection with
Of
the
course,
lady's
Bharat
age
Mata
and
na.
that.
अरे भारत माता
माता
है.
ना.
अरे यार.
Wow.
माता है.
One more
धरती
blooper.
मेरी माँ है, धरती
तो
मेरी
माँ क्या आदमी रहता
Why
है
you
क्या?
sounding like Sunil Shetty?
We had that dialogue. धरती मेरी माँ है.
Did
हाँ,
you
तो
just,
माँ
did you
लड़की
just
रहती
ask
है ना.
Samantha why she's sounding like Sunil Shetty, Melvin?